Wallace Graphics started in 1987. My father started it. We're a second-generation company now. Started just brokering print from the ground up, and slowly but surely worked our way up to 4-color presses and a full bindery, a mail house, and the growth has just continued since then. The square footage when my father started the business was our den with a pool table that he worked off of. We have moved a couple times since then. When we were in Stone Mountain in 2016, we had about 40,000 square feet. Now between the 3 facilities we have, we are at 130,000 square feet. Yeah, Wallace Graphics offers most services that we have just grown into with our customers throughout the years. Obviously started in commercial print. The first branch that we moved to from there was mailing. Then after that, we got into the wide format business, the installation business, and now most recently the acquisition was promo and apparel business. We have 2 finishing lines with MBO. When we got the inkjet press in January of 2024, we quickly realized that we need a second. And now we are running the 2 MBO finishing lines pretty much 24 hours a day for 6 days a week.
We chose MBO for several reasons.
The biggest thing to us on the MBO is the quality of the build.
It's built to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that's the type of workload we have. And what really attracted me to MBO was the modularity. So
we can have a number of pieces of equipment. We can roll them in, roll them out. We can put something on one finishing line, then we can roll it to a different finishing line later. We have different folding units. We have different scoring and perfing, cutting. We have fugitive glue, we have dynamic score and perf, we have a lot of different modules.
Being able to have one machine that you can add on to and create different products with has been huge for us.
What we like the most about the MBO equipment is it reduces touches for us. It's been a really easy transition for us to reduce those touches. We're able to get things out the door faster. We're able to get things to our customer faster. Things sit on the floor.
But with the print industry in general, I think you've got to do more with less. We can accomplish so much more with a smaller footprint, with less people, with less steps. And we value our people, but it's hard to find new ones. And if we can grow our business keeping the same staff, it makes it a lot more scalable for us.
One of the biggest advantages to us with the automation and the roll equipment, we're able to take files. We can take 1 million postcards and be on presses within 30 minutes. We can take that and be out the door within just a day or 2. Before that would take a week, maybe 2 weeks. We were able to really streamline our processes with the roll-to-roll because we could be so fast to market and fast back to our customers.
MBO is a reputable name in the industry, but it's a solid piece of equipment that we rarely go down. We rarely have issues with. It runs. The run speeds are certainly coming off of an unwinder and going into a folder are certainly a lot faster than we've run traditionally with sheets. So yeah, this run speeds alone have certainly surprised me.
The roll equipment that MBO has is versatile. I will in the morning run a job that folds on 27-pound bond, and then by the afternoon I'm doing 120-pound postcards through the same piece of equipment. So to me, the versatility of the equipment is so important. It's not so specialized and so niche, it's so versatile for us.
The last couple of years, we've invested heavily on the development side, brought in a development team, but being able to bring on high-level development internally has allowed us to integrate with our customers directly where they might be hosting a platform where they're accepting orders, but it's pushing them directly to us, pushing them into our system, creating the shipments, pushing the files to the press, where we don't have an estimator picking it up, estimating it, getting it back to the customer, and then they send files, it goes to pre-press, and before you know it, you've lost 3 days of potential production. We're able to take in that data, create the job, have a real-time estimate, and have the files on the press within a couple of hours as opposed to 3 or 4 days. And so really the investment we've made on the development side has allowed us to integrate with some of our better customers who are looking for that type of relationship and truly partner up with them.